If your LG TV is not turning on, don't assume it's permanently damaged. In this video, I'll show you the most effective troubleshooting steps you can try at home before considering a repair. Step 1. Check the standby light. Start by looking at the standby light on the front or bottom edge of your LG TV. If the light is on, the TV is receiving power, but something is preventing it from starting normally. If there is no standby light at all, the TV may not be getting power from the outlet or the power supply inside the TV. This quick check helps narrow down whether you're dealing with a power issue or a startup issue. Step 2. Verify the power source. Make sure the TV's power cord is firmly plugged into both the TV and the wall outlet. If your LG TV has a detachable power cable, unplug it and reconnect it securely. Test the wall outlet by plugging in another device, such as a lamp or phone charger, to confirm the outlet is working. If you're using a surge protector or extension cord, plug the TV directly into the wall instead, as faulty power strips can prevent the TV from turning on. Step 3. Perform a power reset. A power reset can clear temporary software or electrical issues that stop the TV from starting. Unplug the TV from the power outlet and press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 30 seconds. Leave the TV unplugged for at least 5 minutes to allow any remaining electrical charge to drain. Then reconnect the power cord directly to the wall outlet and try turning the TV on again. Step 4. Test without the remote. If pressing the power button on the remote doesn't work, use the physical power button on the TV itself. If the TV turns on using the button, the problem is likely with the remote rather than the television. Replace the remote batteries with a fresh pair and try again. You can also test the remote by pointing it at a smartphone camera and pressing a button. If you don't see the infrared light flashing on the camera screen, the remote may need to be replaced. Step 5. Disconnect external devices. External devices connected through HDMI or USB can sometimes prevent the TV from starting correctly. Turn off the TV and unplug all HDMI cables, USB devices, streaming sticks, gaming consoles, soundbars, and other accessories. Leave only the power cable connected and try turning the TV on. If it works, reconnect your devices one at a time until you identify the device causing the issue. Step 6. Check for hardware failure. If your LG TV still won't turn on after completing the previous steps, pay attention to any signs of hardware failure. A blinking standby light, repeated clicking sounds, or a TV that briefly powers on before shutting off can indicate a problem with the power supply board, main board, or another internal component. These issues usually require professional diagnosis and repair because opening the TV exposes you to high voltage components.